I got that on the camera, Shannon.
Yeah?
Really?
Get off the toilet.
Got that on camera.
Yes.
Hey, can I have your camera in case the bat comes? I need that camera in case
The bats aren't going to come and get you, Sydney.
No, I'm just looking at the bats coming.
Uh-oh.
Oh my gosh!
Woo! That was good.
That was good, wasn't it?
I got it.
Watch your friend.
Are they gonna do another one?
Another one. Good video. What colors were those? Green and red.
Is that all of them?
Jeremy! Oh my gosh, it's raining on me! Oh my gosh.
It's the debris.
Tell Jeremy to get out here.
Smoke everywhere.
I have a ringing in my ear.
Yeah, this later.
At least you still have both your eyes.
I don't know about.
Hey, are you having fun? Do you like it, Sydney?
Yeah. I can't see you sailing.
Oh. I think there's a bat flying near you.
Me?
No, I'm kidding. I'm just kidding. There's no bats.
Dude, what's that black note smell?
It's the fireworks.
Hey, where are you? Oh.
Are you filming?
Yeah.
I'm going in.
Hold on. Come here, Blythe. Let's
My dryer sheets.
stuffed dryer sheets in her pockets because she thinks they're gonna ward off the
I read
mosquitoes.
it. I read that they would make the mosquitoes go away. So.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well.
And styling dryer sheets.
It's very interesting.
See you later, alligator.
Mine won't like landing in the